Hello everyone. Hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Again, your Anita ma'am is here and I welcome you all in today's maths session. Yesterday, we started chapter 4 addition in which we have learnt about some addition facts, math pyramid, and we have also learnt addition of two-digit numbers with regrouping. Hope you have done the home assignment given on the previous day. Today, we shall start with page number 49 and the objective of today's lesson is to learn to add two three-digit numbers with double regrouping. So, let's move further. First, we will learn how to add three-digit numbers on abacus. Here, we have to add 231 and 344. So, first of all, write the numbers vertically, means ones place digit in ones column, tens place digits in tens column, and hundred place digits in hundreds column. Now, stepwise, we will add these numbers through abacus. Now, step 1 is represent the first number on abacus. Means first number 231 को हमने abacus पे represent करना है. So, how we will represent? You can see the digit at the ones place in the first number is 1. So, I will paste 1 bindi in the ones column. Now, the digit at the tens place in the first number is 3. So, I will paste 3 bindis in the tens column. 1, 2, and 3. Now, the digit at the hundred place in the first number is 2. So, I will paste 2 bindis in the hundreds column. 1 and 2. So, we have represented first number on abacus. Now, step 2 is to add the ones, we have to add 4 bindis in the ones column. So, we will add 4 bindis in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, count the total number of bindis in ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, write down 5 in the ones column. Now, step 3 is to add the tens. We have to add 4 bindis in the tens column. So, add 4 more bindis. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now count the total number of bindis here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write down 7 in the tens column. Now the last step is to add the hundreds. We have to add 3 bindis in the hundreds column. So add 3 bindis. 1, 2, and 3. Now count the total number of bindis here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write down 5 in the hundreds column. So we got the answer 575. So this is how we can add 3-digit numbers on abacus. You can do this activity at your home. Always remember that 10 ones is equals to 1 tens. ये आपने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में भी पढ़ा होगा that 10 ones जो हैं वो 1 tens के इक्वल होते हैं. That means whenever there are 10 beads on the ones spike, means in ones column, that will be equal to 1 bead on the tens spike. Because जो 10 ones है वो 1 tens के इक्वल होते हैं. Similarly, 10 tens is equals to 100. Means whenever there are 10 beads on the tens spike, means in the tens column, that will be equal to the 1 bead on the 100 spike, because 10 tens जो हैं वो 100 के इक्वल होते हैं. So remember these 2 points. Okay, now let us learn how to add 3-digit numbers with double regrouping. Yesterday we discussed about regrouping, that regrouping is a process of changing groups of ones into tens. And when regrouping is done twice, means 2 times, it is called double regrouping. So here the question is, add 362 and 478. So first of all, write these two numbers vertically, means in vertical form. Ones place digits in ones column, tens place digits in tens column, and 100 place digits in hundreds column. Stepwise we will add these two numbers. So step 1 is add the ones, means ones place पे जो digits हैं उन्हें add करेंगे. So in the first number there are 2 ones, in the second number there are 8 ones. So 2 plus 8 is equals to, yes, 10. So 2 ones plus 8 ones is equals to 10 ones. Now there are 2 digits and we cannot write 2 digits in ones column. So we have to regroup this number. Now we all know that 10 ones is equals to 110. मीन्स इस नंबर में 10 में 0 ones हैं और 1 10 है. So we will write 0 in ones column and 1 is carried over in tens column. Right? Now step 2 is add the tens, means tens place पे जो digits हैं उन्हें add करेंगे. So 1 which is carried over, then 6 tens plus 7 tens. 110 plus 6 tens plus 7 tens. 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 7 is 14. Right? So we get 14 tens. Again 2 digits. We cannot write 2 digits here. So we have to regroup this number again. Now how to regroup 14 tens? See, if there are 2 tens, so 2 tens का meaning है 2 into 10 which is equals to 20, means 2 tens can be written as 20. Similarly 14 tens means 14 into 10 which is equals to 140, means 14 tens equal 140. Now in 140, 1 is at 100 place, so we can write 100. And 4 is at tens place, so we can write here 4 tens, means in 140 there are 100 and 4 tens. So that's why we regrouped 14 tens as 100 and 4 tens. Now there are 4 tens, so we will write 4 in tens column and 100 is carried over in hundreds column. Now step 3 is add the hundreds. So 1 which is carried over, 300 plus 400. So 100 plus 300 is 400 and 4 plus 4 is 800. So we get 800 and write down 8 in the hundreds column. So by adding these two numbers with double regrouping, we get the answer 840. So this is how we can add 3-digit numbers with double regrouping. First add the ones place digits, then regroup the ones into tens. After that add the tens, then regroup the tens into hundreds, and in the last add the hundreds. You will get the answer. I hope you have understood today's topic. Now your home assignment is Let's Try to in Maths course book and My Turn 2 in practice book. Try to solve all the questions and do the work neatly. That's all for today. We will continue this chapter in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.